So, if you want Spotify Premium without paying the full price, here's how to get it cheaper straight from your phone. And I'll show you the site that lets you grab almost any premium subscription you want for just a couple of bucks. First, open your browser and head to the service page. On the homepage, you'll see a list of platforms. Scroll down till you see Spotify Premium in the list and tap on it. Don't worry about the website itself. I'll show you what it is in a moment. Now, choose the subscription duration you want. You can go monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The longer you pick, the cheaper it works out per month. When you're ready to proceed to the payment, go ahead and enter the promo code JAAKF to get an additional 10% discount. After all that, then you can tap Buy Now. You'll be taken to the checkout screen. Enter your email address carefully because that's where your account details will be sent. Then select your payment method. You can use card, PayPal, or other supported options. Complete the payment. After that, you'll receive the login details for your Spotify account directly by email. And as promised, the site I'm using here is called Gamsgo. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out. That's it. Spotify Premium cheaper without a VPN in just a couple of minutes.